So Dave, Harper and I are spending 2 nights in this shepherd's hut in Hartland, and we are going off-grid. Hello. Oh. So we managed to cook last night's dinner on barbecue, which was a long process, but worth it. Hello. Hello. Harper. Hello.
He's knackered.
Are you knackered?
Yeah.
I'm knackered just watching. So this is our first time going away and taking Harper with us. Hello. Ooh.
You probably should unbolt that microphone on the top.
So I said that we were going off-grid, and so I thought I'd just explain. Now here, gas cylinder. There is a proper flushing toilet, and there's an outdoor, there's a shower boiler thing there, which is gas powered. So the other one which feeds the gas hob inside. There's a solar cell here, which along with this charger provides the electric for the. There's no Wi-Fi here, shock horror, and the phone signal whilst it's there is not the strongest, so it's actually just a really nice place to come and to switch off. And so here is the electrical, so this must be powered from the cell, from the solar cell outside. So this is a cool box, but it is a very rugged, very cold cool box, so it keeps it at a very chilled 4 degrees, and it's plenty of space in here. We had this filled, didn't we, with food.
It's actually really good. It's better than I was expecting it to be. It's like a normal fridge temperature. You know, sometimes things like that,
Yes.
You think, oh, is the food actually going to be okay? But like, yeah, it was absolutely fine.
Yeah. No, we came fully prepared with a plan that we would stay here. Just enjoy what's available here at the hut. Right. I'm off for showers. Ooh. Shit.
Are you a good boy? I don't know where you think you're going. Come back here. Come on. I think you might know what's in here. Gentle. Gentle. That's much better. Well done. Gentle. 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 Good boy. Well done.
You've been a manly man.
I am. I'm actually alright at starting fires, as we found out when we was at One Cat Farm.
Oh yes, very true. My husband, the pyromaniac.
I was meant to live somewhere like this.
Oh yeah. Not with that accent you weren't. Come on then.
So Harper has spotted the kite. I'm not sure he's a fan.
The great British summer, as I said, so we are cooking away. It's getting there. We've got the last log on fire, but as we look out, you can see all the way across down the water, the rain coming down, and all the way around there.
Now, at this point, I don't actually care if it turns
Yeah.
shit because we can, like, we'll just have a glass of wine inside.
What a hardship.
Yeah. Inside instead of outside.
Yeah, and there is something nice. We said earlier as we were sat in here, and the rain was coming down, hitting on the roof. There was something quite nice about it, wasn't there? Like, it was cozy.
Yeah, it was really nice actually. And I was just thinking, if you had a thunderstorm out there, like, your view would be amazing from here.
Yes,
And I'm not sure Harper
Harper would love
like
it. Yeah,
but as long as it's in the distance and we can
yeah.
see it from a distance, I'm fully on board with it.
A bit of reduced fat coleslaw for the health. For the health. We had steaks last night, we had burgers tonight, chicken and salad tomorrow, I'm sure. We've had these for 2 years?
You bought
18
them
months?
for my 30th because we were in lockdown.
Yeah, and you're
And
now, what are you now, like 46? But
We've taken them to a lot of places
Yeah.
with us as well and not used them.
Yeah, we've had a carrier bag that we've just carried around with our marshmallows, the Hershey's chocolates, the digestives. Obviously, we're going to do s'mores with a couple of these fire things, and these, which I don't know if they're going to show up very well. Like, there we go. But these are skewers for toasting marshmallows and stuff, but they also extend, and look at that. Look at the length on that. I can stab you from here.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Watch that wine.
Ding.
These have been to 3 different Centre Park sites as well, haven't they? These?
Yeah, and yet we've never used them. Because we always eat loads of other food at Centre Parks.
And buy loads of food to take with us as well.
Yeah.
Like, we're never going to be able to go to a shop ever again.
And I think I bought them from Amazon like 18 months ago now. And we've got a pack of 8 of them maybe. So, if I can find... Oh,
God.
sorry, am I boring you with my fork
Yeah.
stories?
I think you're a bit more excited about these forks.
No s'mores for Dave. But if I can find it, and I will put a link to these in the description, because I'm sure somebody else out there is just as excited about these as I am. Not like this rude bugger. Right, let's get it lit. Oh, I'm scared.
Kind of hurt, hasn't it?
For such a small shepherd's hut, it's amazing how much stuff we spread everywhere. I don't know just how long we thought we were going to be here for. Obviously, that takes up a lot of space for the dog, just in case you weren't sure. Now, where is Dave? He's out here somewhere. Oh, there he is. So there were plenty of good things about this hut, and actually I really enjoyed our little 2-night break with Harper. So Harper's a rescue who we got from the Dogs Trust, and we got him knowing that he had a whole load of anxiety issues and stuff. And so when we're at home, he is very territorial and he's very barky at anything that goes past. And at times that can be pretty draining. Whilst we've been here, maybe twice he's barked. So that's been very nice and much more relaxing for all of us, hopefully. Oh, you're back.
Yeah.
Hello, Harper.
Hello.
I was talking about you.
He's been very good. He walks so well on the lead here compared to like at home, doesn't he?
Yeah. Well, I was just saying about the fact that like
Good boy.
the lack of barking here.
Yeah, like everything about him, like, because nothing's like trigger stacking for him, is it?
Yeah.
Like, because everything's just how he likes.
So, and of course, at the very last minute, the battery would die. So, who knows what I was rambling on about? Meh. Anyway, it is 9:35, meaning we are very close to checking out. We have done a good old clean. It looks so much better when there's not our stuff everywhere. Just you could easily just sit there for a bit more time now with the fire going. Ooh, let's check. One last check. Nothing up here. I have checked down the sides of the bed. There's no need to check under the bed because it's down there. So I think in recent times Airbnbs have got a bit of a bad rap, and I get it because we actually have a house in the residential area just close to us, which is obviously let out as an Airbnb, and that means that people are coming regularly during the week for a few nights and are on their holidays, which I completely understand, and it makes a lot of noise. But however, I think somewhere like this is absolutely perfect for that kind of setup, and the fact that you can just book this for a night or a couple of nights, come, get away, get outside, is perfect. We find ourselves spending more and more time looking for more and more unusual and interesting places to stay. So, you know, who knows what we'll end up booking later in the year or next year. I mean, we've already got a lot of stuff booked, and obviously we're not going to forego any centre parks. So I will put a link to this place on Airbnb in the description, just in case anyone's interested and has the opportunity to come and stay here in Hartland. And if you are, then do let me know in the comments. It's quite close to us as well, so definitely recommend this area. It's a lovely area to go and explore. We are next going to be, as I said, off to another Airbnb place at the end of the month. For now, we need to get the last few bits out of here, lock up, and do the long journey of half an hour back home. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. Oh, big old shake. I can't believe it's weather.
Not this way.
It's really quite dark.